So I don't know about you, but I absolutely hate doing emails, especially the emails that I get redundant that I send over and over and over. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily do canned emails in your Gmail. This will give you more time and less headache by doing the exact same thing over and over and over. All right, stick around. Hey everyone, Dave Nelson here with the Real Estate Agent Help Desk. Before we go on, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below, especially comment if you are struggling with real estate and there's some ideas that you want help on. Hey, just comment below because maybe I'll make a video for you. So again, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the channel or like the video, and comment below on what you would like me to work a video out just for you. And if you put your name down there, I'll even dedicate it to you. All right, so today is going to be kind of a cool thing that I did a long time ago that I teach a lot of agents on our team, as well as people that ask me. I get tired of sending the same email over and over and over, and I'm sure you do too. So that being said, if you've never used it or you've heard of it but haven't used it, canned email in Gmail, you need to do it. Trust me, it has saved me hours, if not days, of my life by having canned emails. Now, some of my favorite canned emails are follow-ups for showings to my seller, an email to my seller for the very first showing, so it kind of outlines some things they should be doing, canned email that I send over to the opposite side of the deal. So if I'm the listing agent, I give it to the buyer's agent on my title information. I've got numerous canned emails that I just personalize before I send them. So, how to create one? Well, first off, you hit compose. And then when you compose, you don't have to send anything to the to line. It's just so put a subject in, test canned email. And then in here, you just go ahead and type the email that you normally would send to your client. So, hey, and I go XXXXX, and then go ahead and you type whatever you're going to write. So when you have your email all typed out, you're not sending this to anybody, you're saving it. Now, I did this on purpose. I left my email signature here for you to look at. If you save this as is right now, it will attach this email signature to every time you can it and send it off. So what you want to do is make sure you delete your email signature first. That way, when you use the canned email, you don't have to always delete your email signature because you'll eventually see you have two email signatures instead of one. So here we go. Here's the canned email. Now down here, there's three dots. Click on that. Go to templates. Now I have a lot of templates. I'm going to scroll through and save template as draft. And then scroll through, save as new template. Name it however you want to, but I named this one test canned email. Save. Perfect. Okay, now that it's saved, I'm going to delete this. Now, how do you use a canned email? So hit compose. Now you put in whoever you want to send it to. Then you go back to the three dots. Templates. Insert template, canned email. Boom. There it is. So now you can see why we deleted the email signature, because otherwise you would have two email signatures on every time you use a canned email. So that's why. Remember, delete the canned email. So that is how easy it is to create a canned email. So make sure you're utilizing this because it's going to save you time and headache and all that fun stuff. So again, I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because we randomly post pretty important topics. And make sure you like this video. And lastly, comment below on something that you would like me to do, and if I do that video, I will make a shout out to you and thank you, because I'm a real estate agent and I want to help other real estate agents dominate in their business.